protein powder, collagen peptides, pre-workouts, and so many more different supplements are on the market. You're probably thinking, my gosh, this is really hard to keep up with. How in the world am I going to get healthy? The thing that I do want to recommend time and time again is that supplements are literally just that, a supplement to your actual diet. If the rest of your diet is completely trash, you're eating a lot of processed foods, you're eating stuff that's really high in saturated fat, you're not getting a lot of fiber, and you're not hitting your overall hydration needs, stuff like this doesn't even do anything. You're literally throwing your money away. Now, when it comes to which supplements are actually useful, something like a pre-workout is pretty good because it will give you some caffeine and some other things that will help to boost your workout. The primary thing that helps in pre-workouts is really the caffeine. So if you want to, you can even just get some caffeine pills and roll with that. Protein powder is also pretty good if you do find yourself lacking in overall protein in your diet. Remember, it is still beneficial to get some of those whole sources. At the end of the day though, if you only get your protein from protein powder, this is a much better option than completely negating your overall protein goal in your diet. Creatine is another one that is highly researched and is beneficial for getting a little bit of extra power and endurance in your workouts. Nothing crazy, just a couple more reps. And then honestly, that's it. There's a few more supplements that do have some pretty good research to them, but for the most part, try to fix your overall diet to begin with, adding in a little bit more fruits, cutting back on sugary drinks, getting a little bit more protein in your overall diet before you go in and buy some of these things. Because remember, these supplements are trying to fill these small gap that you might not be hitting with your normal food, instead of literally filling an entire large gap. It should be with your normal healthy foods. Not only is that really expensive, it's not very healthy.